Okay, in this tutorial we will discuss about the abstract classes and the interference. That an abstract class can be considered as a blueprint for other class, which allow us to create a set of the method. These methods are created in a child class built from our abstract class by using a different method and by using the abstract methods. A class which contain one or more abstract method is called an abstract class. Let's consider that what is how this is working. By default, that Python is not able to provide a abstract class, but Pythons contain a lot of the modules which provides the basic of the definitions of the abstract basis classes, and which contain the module which name is ABC. The ABC, the absolute base classes, works by marking the methods for a base classes and abstract methods. This abstract method, which implementation of the abstract classes, you can see that abstract methods use this by marking this symbol and the abstract methods. Okay, let's do a practical example on a Python that are related to and see that how we implementation of the abstract methods and how we create the abstract class by using within a child classes. Okay, in this tutorial we'll discuss about the how we use abstract class and abstract method. That the first step that we import ABC from module ABC. The ABC is a class relating to abstract classes in a module of ABC, and abstract method. We should also import it. And let's consider our first class is a polygon, which is extended into ABC. And now the abstract method in here that define abstract method here, that now consider here the child class, the classes of triangle, which is also extended into a polygons. And now overriding abstract method here, that printing that I have three sides for a class polygons. And now for the next is a pentagon, and this class is also polygons. That we should write the overriding abstract method here and print that I have five sides for pentagons. And now for hexagons, also extended into polygons, that overriding method is that I have a six-sided, sorry. And for a quadrilateral, and this is also a four-sided. Now the drive or method here, that first a triangle, that that are not no offsides, and now it also extended into others like a quadratic, like pentagons, like hexagon, and like this. Okay, like save this and right click that they show the, you can see that this produced some mistake. Okay, go to in here that in line 9 module, that it shows some error in this. That go to line 9, and in here you can see that it shows some mistakes, that POL YGON polygon. And here you can see that capital P in here, but go again run this program and see the results. The same problem is that okay, let's fix this. Okay, now we set the problem that this spelling of this polygon and this polygon and this all polygon should be same, otherwise it produces some error like in this video. Okay, let's save this program and right click here and run this program and see the results. Okay, you can see that the system shows that for a triangle that three sided, you can see that here and for a triangle there are three, and for a quadrilateral there are the four sideds. For the pentagon this is a five. For the hexagon the sides are six, which we are given in our in here in these writing abstract methods.